In present era, customers are hungry for innovations and they want to develop smarter, lighter, tougher products with a fast pace. A manufacturer must recognize challenges, again and again thinking about their product quality, their brand image in the market, and should create the future every single day. To touch new heights, you need a partner you can trust, rely, and give your whole worries. Indian Die Casting Industries is that partner. Since 1964, we have not just been die casting, we are casting ideas, simplifying the process that has revolutionized the world of precision metal casting. We work with most demanding manufacturers of the planet, providing the expertise that helps in solving their complex challenges. Wherever they are in the world, we do it with exacting quality and unparalleled skills and without compromise. There has never been more challenging, more innovative, more awesome time to be in manufacturing. The future is here, and we are proud to be an importunate. During our long journey, we have fabricated more than 1,000 highly sophisticated dies and supplied millions of die-cast components to the conglomerates of automotive, electric switchgear, electronics, home appliance, scaffolding, bathroom faucet industry, preserving high-quality standards and using cutting-edge technology. We are manufacturing automotive components, auto electrical components, engine parts, parts for automotive dashboard instruments, automotive heat sinks, parts for oil pumps, parts for two-wheelers, leak-free air filter castings, compressor parts, aluminium scaffolding assemblies, LED light housings, metal clad plug and socket, faucet handles, and continuously making our portfolio wider and wider by using different manufacturing processes, including hot and cold chamber pressure die casting, gravity die casting, sand casting, aluminium bronze casting, phosphor bronze casting, heat treated casting, fine trimming, buffing, chrome plating, powder coating, shot blasting and precision machining. We, Indian Die Casting Industries, an IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified company, has been able to fully satisfy the whims and fancies in quality of our quality-conscious customers, and maintaining all these years an astounding record in most of the cases of 100% quality rating with them. We are a time-tested supplier to automotive OEMs like TVS, Suzuki, Lombardini, Mitsubishi Heavy Industry, LML, TAFE, Mahindra, Escorts, Tata Motors, Bajaj, Precol, Autopal, Autolec, Continental Corporation, UCAL, Spark Minda, Varroc, etc. Our other prestigious customers include Atlas Copco, Videocon, Whirlpool, Havells, Legrand, Schneider, Indo-Asian, HPL, L&T Switchgear, Roca, Tyco, ECIL, etc. We export to Switzerland, Germany, Middle East, USA, and to many other countries. Few of our exclusive benefits are highly dependable and consistent quality at lower price, experience of developing more than 1,000 intricate components, maintaining close tolerance as cast, prompt troubleshooting and elimination of tool development errors, applying wide experience, trusted by a list of old customers, bespoke quality, direct online supplier, 100% quality rating, Deliveries on time, every time. Complete solution under one roof with NPT support, tool development, die casting, trimming and deburring, shot blasting, heat treatment, machining, powder coating, plating, etc. IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified unit. Eco-friendly manufacturing.